This is a review for this rice cooker made by Toshiba. This rice cooker is great that it's compact. It does have a little handle here up on top, so it's easy to move around. It doesn't weigh a whole lot to begin with. It has a lot of features and functionality that a typical rice cooker might not have, and I'll get to those in a minute. One thing I didn't really care for is that the power outlet's on the side. That may work fine for you in your kitchen. It just was kind of an anomaly that was on the side versus being on the back. It did come with a cord that's about 2 feet long. It is a standard computer monitor cord or a computer power cord, so you could use a longer cord if you needed to. It also came with a measuring cup to measure your rice. It came with a ladle, a plastic ladle, and a scoop to scoop out rice as well. So as far as functions, you basically have an off and a start are the main buttons here. It does have a time of day. That's what that is. That's not a timer. That's the time of day. It's got a quick start button for white rice. You can just set that right there and hit start for 50 minutes. It will do white rice. If you want it to do some of the other functions, you can go through the menu. You go through quick cook, white rice, brown rice, mixed grain, slow cook, porridge, cake, and eggs as well. There's 8 different options here that you can choose from for like a quick start perspective. And also there is a keep warm reheat. So if you've made your rice and you've let it sit for a while and you want to reheat it, all you have to do is hit that keep warm button like that, and it'll warm it back up inside the rice cooker. It also has a custom timer right here. You can set a quick cook and 2 different timers. You have timer 1 and then timer 2. So you got 2 separate timers based on where you want to keep them defaulted to, and you can make those adjustments here with the plus and minus sign. As far as maintenance is concerned, there is a button here in the front that you use to open it up, and inside is where you put your rice. You measure your rice with the measuring cup or another measuring cup that you might have. Let's say you wanted to do 2 cups of rice. You would measure 2 cups of rice, wash it, rinse it if you prefer to do that. Put it into the rice cooker cooking bowl here, and there are built-in measurements right here off to the side that make it really easy to use. So you put your rice in, and then you pour water in up to the line. So if you're making 2 cups, for example, in of white rice, you just pour the water in until the level of the water reaches this line where it's 2 here. Same thing with mixed grain. It's a little bit different for each. You use a little bit more water for mixed grain, and then it's got the porridge lines there as well. Obviously, this thing can be easily removed and cleaned, and the heating surface is all in here to cook the rice. It's got a nice rubber seal on the lid here. This is removable as well. Put your rice and your water in there, lock it into place, get your setting. Let's just go with white rice, 50 minutes, and then hit start. And the rice is ready to go in 50 minutes. It is an awesome rice cooker, especially with all the different functions that are set up specifically for the different types of rice. A slow cook option, which you can set up to 24 hours for a slow cook, from 1 to 24 hours. Porridge, cake, and eggs as well. Really cool rice cooker from Toshiba.